Hello student, in the last video we already discussed classification of alcohol, phenol and ether compound. Now in this video we will discuss nomenclature of alcohol and phenol compound. Let's we start with nomenclature of monohydrate alcohol. In IUPAC naming, simple remember the trick alkane plus number plus all. Alkane plus number plus all. To remove letter E from alkane, and when the number of carbon atom is a 3 or more than 3, at that time we are giving the number in a such a way that OH group getting less number. Once again, to give the number to the compound when the number of carbon is a 3 or more than 3. For common naming, three simple rules are there. If the compound is a linear, then you use alkyl alcohol. But if the number of carbon is a 3 or more than 3, then such type of linear compound that getting N alkyl alcohol. Here N tends to normal. Second rule, if CH3CH3 is a present in a sequence, then for that we are using isoalkyl alcohol. Most important thing that remember this thing, for a CH3CH3 is in a sequence, only we are using iso. And the third rule, if total 5 carbon is there or that just like a cross, then we are using neo for that, like neo alkyl alcohol. Let's start with a few examples. Before starting, once again remember, for a common name the trick is alkyl alcohol, and for IUPAC name the trick is alkane plus number plus all. First compound CH3OH. Here only one carbon is there, hence it become a methyl, and because of the presence of OH it become alcohol, so that its name is methyl alcohol. If you are talking about its IUPAC name, then due to presence of a one carbon it become methane, and due to presence of OH it become all. So final answer is methane all. We remove letter E from the alkane. Second compound CH3CH2OH. Two carbon is there, hence its a common name is ethyl alcohol, and its IUPAC name is ethanol. Third compound CH3CH2CH2OH. Here 3 carbon is there, so whenever 3 carbon is there, then we have to remember to give the number in which OH getting less number. So for such type of compound, its a common name is N propyl alcohol. Here N tends to normal. This compound that become linear, it contains 3 carbon, so we are putting N tends to normal before the naming of that compound, hence it become normal propyl alcohol. Its IUPAC name, that is propane 1 all. Here OH is present on a first carbon, that's why we wrote 1 all, propane 1 all. Fourth compound CH3CHOH CH3. Here CH3CH3 is in a sequence form, so that we use iso for its a common name. Now total number of carbon is 3, hence it become propyl, and due to presence of OH group it become alcohol. So the final common name is isopropyl alcohol. If you are talking about its IUPAC name, then OH carbon that get second number, so its a name is propane 2 al. Fifth compound CH3CHOH CH2CH3. Here CH3CH2 is there, not a CH3CH3, so we cannot use iso. Whenever the iso name is not used, at that time we are using degree, for example primary degree, secondary degree or tertiary degree. Here OH containing carbon that directly link with another two carbon atom, that's why we are using secondary degree. Once again, OH containing carbon that directly link with two carbon atom, hence it become secondary degree. Now the total number of carbon in that compound is a 4, so that it become a butyl, and due to presence of a OH group it gets alcohol. So the final answer for that compound, that is 2 degree or secondary butyl alcohol. If you are talking about its IUPAC name, then total number of carbon is 4, hence it is a butane. Second number that containing OH group means 2O all. So final answer is butane 2 all. That's its IUPAC name. Sixth carbon CH3CH CH3 CH2OH. Here once again CH3CH CH3 is in a sequence, so we use iso. Now total number of carbon in that compound is a 4, so it become butyl, and due to presence of OH it become alcohol. So its a common name is isobutyl alcohol. If you are talking about its IUPAC name, then total number of carbon in a linear chain it become 3, in which second carbon getting branch, that is methyl group, and OH group is present on a first carbon. So the answer is 2 methyl propane 1 all. Seventh compound CH3C CH3CH3OH. Here total 5 carbon is not there, hence we cannot use neo, so we are using degree. Here OH containing carbon that's directly linked with another 3 carbon atom, hence it become tertiary compound. Once again, whenever the OH containing carbon that's directly linked with 3 carbon atom, at that time we can give like a tertiary or 3 degree. Okay, now total number of carbon is a 4, hence it become butyl, and due to presence of a OH group it become alcohol. So the final common name of that compound is 3 degree butyl alcohol or tertiary butyl alcohol. If you are talking about its IUPAC name, then first decide the long chain that become vertical, on which second carbon that contain one methyl group and also OH group. So the answer is 2 methyl propane 2 all. The last compound CH3C CH3CH3 CH2OH. Here total 5 carbon is there, or we can say it form like a cross, so its a name is neo. Now total carbon is 5, hence it become pentyl, and because of the presence of OH group it become alcohol. So the final common name of that compound is neopentyl alcohol. Simple remember trick, whenever we are giving neo, at that time we must require 5 carbon. And if you are talking about its IUPAC name, then the longer chain in which second carbon contain 2 times methyl group and OH group is present on a first carbon, so that its a final IUPAC name is 2,2-dimethyl. 2,2-dimethyl means second carbon contain 2 times methyl group. Because of this it is 2,2-dimethyl propane 1 all. Now we are talking about few cyclic compound. First one, cyclohexane, which contain OH, so that its a common name is cyclohexyl alcohol, and its IUPAC name is cyclohexaneol. Second one, OH, that present on a cyclopentane, and also CH3 is on a second carbon. Here alpha is used for a common name in which the carbon that come after the OH containing carbon. Once again, for alpha, remember trick, the carbon which come after the OH containing carbon. Here its a common name is alpha methyl cyclopentyl alcohol, and its IUPAC name is 2 methyl cyclopentanol. For IUPAC name, OH containing carbon that get first position, so we get the CH3 on a second position. Few examples are there. Third one, CH triple bond C CH2OH. Here triple bond is a present, so we are using ine, in which the reactivity of OH is a more than triple bond, so we are giving the number in a such a way that OH getting less number, so that the final answer is a prop, means total 3 carbon is there, hence it become a prop. Now the triple bond is present on a second carbon, hence 2 ine, and OH is present on the first position, it means 1 all. So the final answer is prop 2 ine 1 all, that is its IUPAC name. Now the fourth carbon CH3 CHOH CH double bond CH2. Here two different functional group are there, that is OH and a double bond, in which the reactivity of OH group is more than double bond, so we are giving the number in a such a way that so that OH is getting less number. Now total number of carbon is 4, hence it become a but. Now third carbon that contain double bond, hence it become a 3 in, and the OH group is present on a second carbon, hence it become a 2 all. So that final IUPAC name is but 3 in 2 all. Let's start the few other naming of dihydric alcohol. Here there is a no trick for common name, so we can remember directly. And for IUPAC name, one simple trick is there, that is alkane plus number plus diol. Here we must add letter E at the end of alkane, so it become alkane plus number plus diol. First compound OH CH2 CH2 OH. Here two carbon is there, hence it become ethylene glycol. If you are talking about its IUPAC name, here total number of carbon is 2, hence it become ethane. Now OH group is present on the first and second carbon, hence it become 1,2 diol. Here 2 times OH group is there, hence we wrote diol. So final IUPAC name is ethane 1,2 diol. Second compound CH3CHOH CH2OH. Here total carbon is 3, hence it become propylene glycol. For its IUPAC name, total number of carbon is 3, hence it become propane, in which OH is present on the first and second carbon, hence it become 1,2 diol. So that final IUPAC name is propane 1,2 diol. Third one OH CH2 CH2 CH2OH. Here new way is there, for it's a common name that we remember, that is trimethylene glycol. Here total carbon is 3, hence we wrote trimethylene glycol. Its other common name is beta glycol. For its IUPAC name, now total carbon is 3, hence it become propane, in which OH is present on a first and third carbon, hence it become 1,3 diol. So that final IUPAC name is propane 1,3 diol. Fourth carbon OH CH2 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 OH. Here 5 time CH2 group is there, hence its a common name is pentamethylene glycol. Whenever more than 3 carbon atom is present in a linear chain in which both OH group is present at the terminal position, so for that we can also use omega glycol. If you are talking about its IUPAC name, then total number of carbon is 5, hence it become pentane, in which OH group is present on a first and a fifth carbon, hence it become diol. So that its a final IUPAC name is pentane 1,5 diol. If you are talking about trihydric alcohol, then only one compound is there, that is CH2OH CHOH CH2OH. It's a common name as a glycerol or a glycerol, and its IUPAC name is 1 propane 1,2,3 triol. Total number of carbon is 3, hence it become propane, in which OH group is present on a first, second and a third carbon, hence it become 1,2,3. It's 3 time it's become tri and all. So final answer is propane 1,2,3 triol. Now nomenclature of phenol. Monohydrate phenol. First one benzene ring, which contain OH and CH3. Here reactivity of OH is a more than alkyl group, hence OH getting less number. CH3 is present on a second carbon, hence the IUPAC name is 2-methyl phenol. If you are talking about it's a common name, then simple remember trick, whenever benzene ring which contain OH and the CH3, so for such type of compound we use cresol. Here CH3 is present on ortho position, hence it become orthocresol. Second compound benzene ring which contain OH and on a third position CH3 group is there, hence its IUPAC name is 3-methyl phenol, and its a common name is metacresol. Here CH3 group is present on a meta position, hence it become metacresol. Third compound benzene ring which contain OH group at a first position and a CH3 group at a fourth position, hence its IUPAC name is 4-methyl phenol, and CH3 group is present at a para position, so that its a common name is paracresol. Here cresol word is used for its a common name in which benzene ring which contain one OH group and one CH3 group. For a cresol, remember OH and CH3 that are present one time on a benzene ring. Fourth compound benzene ring which contain OH and Br at a second position. So its IUPAC name is 2-bromophenol. its a common name is orthobromophenol. Here bromine group is present on an ortho position, hence it become orthobromophenol. Fifth compound, benzene ring, which contain OH group in the first position and NH2 group at the third position. Hence, its IUPAC name is 3-amino. Here NH2 group possesses amino name 3-aminophenol, and its a common name is meta-aminophenol. Here NH2 group is present on a meta position, so that its a common name is M, or we can say meta-aminophenol. Last compound, benzene ring, in which OH is present on a first carbon and NO2 is present on a fourth carbon. Its IUPAC name is 4-nitrophenol, and its a common name is para-nitrophenol. Here NO2 group is present on a para position, hence it become para-nitrophenol. Reactivity of NO2 is less than OH, so OH getting less number. Now, dihydric and trihydric phenol. First compound, benzene ring, which contain OH group on the first and the second position. Its IUPAC name is benzene 1,2-diol, and its common name is catechol. Second compound, benzene ring, which contain OH at the first position and OH at the third position. Hence, its IUPAC name is benzene 1,3-diol. Third compound, benzene ring, which contain OH at the first position and at the fourth position. Hence, its IUPAC name is benzene 1,4-diol. Now, common name is all these three compound is very most important. So we must remember the common naming of all that three compound. If we talking about first compound, in which both the OH group is present at the ortho position, hence it become catechol. For a second compound, the second OH group is present on the meta position, hence it become resorcinol. And in a third compound, the second OH group is present on the fourth position, hence it become hydroquinone or quinol. Here this compound hydroquinone or quinol is already asked in a board exam. Resorcinol is already asked in a GUJCAT exam, and catechol is already asked in a board exam. So we must remember common name of all these three compound. Now fourth compound, benzene ring, in which OH group is present on the first, second and third carbon. So its IUPAC name is benzene 1,2,3-triol. Here OH group is present three times, hence we wrote tri and ol for OH. So its IUPAC name is benzene 1,2,3-triol, and its a common name is pyrogalol. Fifth compound, benzene ring, in which OH is present at the first, second and fourth position. Its IUPAC name is benzene 1,2,4-triol, and its a common name is hydroxyquinol. Sixth compound, benzene ring, on which OH group is present on the first, third and fifth position. Its IUPAC name is benzene 1,3,5-triol, and its a common name is fluoroglucinol. Here remember, diol means the compound which contain two OH group, and the triol means the compound which contain three OH group. Thank you all.